this morning is making a pattern and taping these cardboard pieces together. I'm going to make a pattern so I can put some Reflectixs on the windows. They're going to slide down into a slot that's in there. It's a little hard to see. And I've got a roll. There it is. And then start cutting and trimming. But I got to make a pattern for the corners first. That's what I'm doing now. I'll take you along for the ride. Okay, here's what I trimmed off. So this inner line is the edge of the slot. This outside line is the bottom of the slot. And I reduced the corners a little bit so it won't be any binding. So now I got to measure between the slot here, edge of the slot, over to the other side, give me my width, and same for my height, and cut my piece. Then I'm going to use some Gorilla Tape and tape the bottom of it, which makes it a little stiffer and makes it slide down in the slot really easy. This is that test piece, sliding it in the slot. It slides down very easy, and it's just a little bit snug. Let's see if I try to put the raw edge in. You know, you gotta wiggle it to get it in. But with the Gorilla Tape on there, it slides right in really nice and easy, just like so. Okay, my pattern is all marked up. My window from the edges of the slot are 33¼ by 33¼ Here's a cutout right here, which goes cut out that block back there. That's bolted on, but the back window is different, so I'm going to have to make a different pattern for block cutout. So I'm ready to cut my first piece and see how it fits. Alright, I'm going to show you how it goes in and comes out. Just push it like this. Push it around, slide it out. You want to put it back. Do like that. The slot, push it down. Corner in. So, put the corner in. And it's done. Well, there it is. I actually found another slot further to the glass, closer to the glass, so I'm using that one. And it fits in perfect. It's held in. And the good thing about it, with the Gorilla Tape on the edges, you can kind of mash it in there and not really affect it much. So it's working out great on that. I've got it extended all the way out, 24 inches, and it's breezy out. I want to see if it's going to blow out. If not, then I get to do this one, and then I get to do this one over again. That one was just a quickie. Then work on some good technique for attaching screens. Alright, you guys got any good ideas for attaching screens to aluminum frames? I've tried some small magnets glued on the frame, but they just weren't strong enough when the wind blew. So I'll come up with something. That one took about an hour, a little over an hour, because I had to make the pattern and all that. So this one over here should not take anywhere near that long, probably half an hour. This one probably close to an hour because it's 1.5 times bigger. And the material isn't wide enough to go all the way across in one piece, so I'm going to have to splice it in the middle. because I want to keep this vertical so it has less tendency to sag down with gravity. Alright, I'm going to continue on.